The title of our message this morning is called The Poison of Unforgiveness. So many people think unforgiveness hurts the person who offended them. Unforgiveness often hurts the one that is carrying it, like the man carrying this heavy backpack. And those are the stones, the heaviness that weighs him down. The more he unforgives, the heavier that bag becomes. You've hurt me, I'm not going to forgive you. The more he is clutching down because he cannot handle the weight of it. It poisons the soul. It steals our peace. It clouds our thinking. And it keeps us tied to our past hurts. Yes, we do think about it. Because the moment we start thinking about something that somebody has done to us, it takes our focus off of God. You may be carrying a burden of something that someone did to you many, many years ago. Maybe even yesterday or a week ago. Meantime, that person has moved on with their life. Yet you still carry the burden. They are unaffected, but you are still carrying the weight. Hence, God says that you never intended to carry that burden. Unforgiveness poisons the soul. Unforgiveness is like a root that is underground